Mike Schultz with LEFORT America. Today I'm here to talk about our used 2018 B20 baler. Some of the features of this baler are a remote control system that allows you to operate it from an additional cab or other areas. Our display unit, which also has a built-in modem that allows us to communicate with the customer no matter where they're at. This machine also features a CAT 278 horse 4-tier diesel engine. One of the other features of this machine is an elevating material handler and a grapple built right that will come with the machine. One of the other features are our lids, which create 290 tonnage of torque. We have a 20-foot bed, and it's a dual ram system, so the bale is put in the center of the bed for easier retrieval, and our cylinders for the pusher ram can be adjusted up to 200 tons in strength. We have a oil recovery system and a automatic lube system that allows us to, every time the doors or the hinges are open, it lubricates every joint throughout the machine. Once again, we have a oil recovery system and an elevated material handler. Okay, to recap, we have a 2018 B20 LEFORT baler dual ram with 400 hours and a limited factory warranty. Please give me a call or contact me at Mike Schultz, which is m.schultz at lefortamerica.com. And I would love the opportunity to earn your business. Thank you and have a good day.